Well, must solace now go sorrowing, and love be sad and full of grieving? And little should one prize their living, and all the good one to them might sing. For he through whom had worth and meaning, solace and all courtly gleaning, song and sport, joy and mercy's blessing, has failed them now, whence great woe is pressing. Nevermore shall good verse be heard ring, nor canso made with reasons weaving. Love dead is now your cries achieving, that said you were a courtly spirit king. And truth it was in all your teaching, such a man as he was fit for your keeping. All singers were but nothing seeming, when he would say what gave you pleasing.
Never did man speak words so taking, nor ever tongue so fine in speaking, for his voice was so polished in its breaking,
that the nightingale was left forsaking.
when in sweet song she heard him waking,
And he was wise without mistaking,
more than any man of my own knowing.
for this God to his own need has taken him now. Jesus Christ, I pray, be his guiding, and place him at the right hand siding, that for his friends he has set abiding, for then the place shall be well filling.
Lady Holy Mary,
In you confiding, this
counsel would I give,
not hiding, if you delight in a courtly man's beseeming.
Lord Hugo Bruning, let him not go from your esteeming.
Too wretched is he, and sunk in sleeping, every man whom baseness leads in his keeping, for he is lost, and the world leaves in his reaping. And when from this world he goes departing, God will not have this company's greeting, but sends him to hell, where in his keeping he stays, all full of torments weeping. And never more shall there be one to care for his weeping.
So Solace, hold your way and creeping, laments for there he used to send in sweeping, songs and verses and solences in heaping.
He whom wrote well ought to be weeping.
Fair desire, wherever I may be keeping,
Holds over me his lordship's reaping,
to do and say what might give him pleasing.
and yet I never saw him, save in my heart's safekeeping.